How's it going, buds and beauties? Welcome to Life of Naman and welcome to the unboxing, first look, as well as the first impressions of the Oppo Enco X. Now, the Oppo Enco X comes at a price of 9990, just under the sweet spot of 10k. And these are my first buds apart from the Apple buds that I am reviewing under this kind of price. Now, the Apple AirPods that I purchased was generation 1 and that are very old. These are the newest and greatest and latest from the Oppo Enco. Now, I've also reviewed the Oppo Enco W51 that are under 5000 rupees, and personally I don't like them a lot. But again, let's see what they got in the Oppo Enco X. Right off the bat, you get the very shiny looking black colored box, and this box only looks very premium. It has this rainbowish RGB color effect, I would say, on this box, and it looks nice. I ordered the black variant from Flipkart only, and I just wanted to go with black because I haven't reviewed or even seen a TWS in black before. Just opening up the box, you get the user manual at first, and again, this is just gibberish. You don't need user manual apart from seeing the touch controls. And I was actually unexpectedly intrigued by the case that had the user manual in it because it felt really nice. The texture felt really nice. Let's just put aside the showstopper for today, aside for a little while, and see what other contents are included in the box. Now, the Oppo W51 also had this case, in a small case, in which you had the earbuds going from small to large. So that's a really nice presentation by Oppo, and that's the same that you get on this Oppo Enco X also. And of course, you get the USB Type-C cable, and my bad, they also included a black USB Type-C cable. I didn't find at the time of unboxing though. Now, putting all the gibberish outside and now concentrating on the main event of today is the Oppo Enco X truly wireless earbuds themselves. A little disappointed by the unboxing because that packaging didn't open like it used to in Apple products. But again, this is not an Apple product, this is an Oppo product, and I should be fine by that, I guess. Looking first time at the Oppo Enco X, and they look shiny AF. They are purely glossy, but they look very good and they feel very premium. I've seen the AirPods Pro before, but I haven't held them in my hands before. But these are the most premium ones that I've ever held in my life. They feel very good. And as you can see on the back, they have mentioned co-created with Dynaudio. Dynaudio is a Denmark-based loudspeaker company that I can see from the internet. I haven't known this company before. And just like what also happens in the past is that these companies that have the product design collaborate with a company that has done exceptionally well in the sound department, and mutually they create a really good product. So I'm hoping the sound on this would be really nice. So let's see. Now let's try out this weird test of Clickyness. Now, checking out the buds look really good in my opinion in black, and I would really recommend you to buy the black version. I mean, white are very common nowadays. Black are something that looks really stealthy and sexy to me at least. Coming on to the shake and the fit test, the fit is unexpectedly good. I mean, the Oppo Enco W51 has the worst fit among all of the buds that I've tried in the past. But the big brother of W51 is actually really good in my ears. And actually did a little shake test. It wasn't as brutal as I did with the other buds, but it was just a simple shake test and they didn't fall. The magneticity of the case with the buds is also really good, and they paired really easily with my smartphone, that is OnePlus 7, and also the left and the right earbud is showing on the Bluetooth icon that you are seeing on the screen now. That is also a really good implementation to show the left and the right earbud battery individually. Now I'm gonna listen to one of my favorite songs in Spotify right now. It's Come Over. I don't know, but initially when I was tapping on the left earbud, it didn't initiate the song. Maybe it's something else on the touch controls. I'll see that later and in the review video. As I've already mentioned, if you want to listen to this song has everything to test for. Okay, what I've heard, I think that I can give my first impressions right now, because this song Come Over has highs, mids, lows, treble, bass. It has everything to test for. And what I found is that the treble. The treble is amazing. These are the most trebly earbuds that I've tested as of now. I've tested Apple earbuds, I've tested Realme buds, OnePlus buds, Boat buds. I've tested all of these buds. These buds sounds the most trebly. The treble is 10 on 10. But coming on to the bass, this is not for bass lovers for sure. There can be improvement in the bass. I think with software update they can do that, but I'm not sure. Even when I was about to buy these buds on Flipkart, I saw that people reviewed that this is not for bass lovers. A lot of people reviewed that, and I got the intuition from that these buds maybe not be that much bassy, and that's what I found by using them. Again, these are the initial impressions. I'm gonna use it for at least 1 week, and then I'm gonna tell you guys what exactly do I feel for these buds. Should you buy these buds? Should you not buy these buds? And I'm gonna basically tell you a whole lot when I experience these buds for 7 days straight. And yeah, as far as initial impressions go, they look good, they look amazing, they look premium, and I would suggest going for the black ones. I mean, white ones are the common ones, black ones look awesome. As far as sound is concerned, they get the thumbs up for the initial impressions, but again I have to test it a lot. For bass, it's not up to the mark. It's not very bassy, but trebly it's good. The sound quality is good, but also like you can tweak the bass with some equalizer or something. But again, the general sound quality that I get, the bass is not good. But again, I have to test it for at least 1 week. These are the initial impressions. They sound good. I can't recommend it yet. I will rate it in the review or the next video that is coming on the Oppo Enco X. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and keep washing your hands, bro.